So Riverbed, as you probably know, has been a leader in the WAN optimization controller space. We began in 2002 as a company. We are based in San Francisco. Our first products were delivered in 2004, and since then we have been growing very rapidly. Last year we had almost $728 million worth of sales on a worldwide basis. Indian operations in particular, um, we've been operating here for the last 4 or 5 years. I took over as the managing director about 2 years ago. Since then, we are experiencing about 100% growth year over year, and a lot of large customers that are now users of our product. So, essentially, we've grown our team, we've grown our number of partners, we've grown our revenues. So, overall, the business has been growing for us in India.
Okay, and how do you see the competition in Indian market vis-a-vis the global scenario?
Well, the competition is no different. All companies that operate globally also operate in India. So, but I look at competition very positively. The more the number of people that are trying to sell this kind of solution, the more access people have to the customers, the more knowledgeable the customers get. And once you have a knowledgeable base of customers, it is easy for them to choose the right solution. So, in a way, competition helps increase the market in the country. Channel is the main means on how we sell our products. We are a very channel focused company, and we have various kinds of channels. So we have, if you look at global system integrators, we have partners that are global system integrators, companies like IBM, companies like Hewlett Packard, companies like Dimension Data. And then if you look at the large system integrators, which are Indian companies like HCL Technologies, Wipro Infotech, so these are the other larger system integrators. Then we have the service providers who are also our partners. Firstly, the global service providers like British Telecom, AT&T, Singtel, Orange Business Solutions, or Orange Business Services. So all of them are our partners. And then the Indian service providers, people like Airtel, Reliance, Tata Communication, all of them are also our partners. So we have a broad base of partners that are able to address a large variety of requirements of the customers, which means that if somebody is looking for an OPEX type of model where they want a managed service, then we have the service provider partners who are very happy to provide a managed service. We also have the system integrator, integration partners or solution partners who can provide a complete, integrated solution for the customer's requirements. So essentially, I mean, we do have various kinds of partners that can help our customers become successful with our solutions. We started off as a company in the WAN optimization controllers, and that is still our flagship product. But we have expanded our base of solutions tremendously. We have a broad breadth of solutions now. For example, we have an application aware network performance management software or solution. What it does is it can help organizations visualize their entire network, the servers, the storage, the application, and it can interlink all of that into some high level dashboards. And much like if you've seen what is Google Earth, you can see the big picture, and then you can go down, click on it, it can go down right to the street level. Similarly here, you can get a dashboard as to what's working, and if you have any issues, you can go down further and identify to a particular user, to a particular server, to to a particular device level as to what could be the issues that are being faced on the network for poor performance. So that's another. The other thing that we have now is application delivery controllers. So we had acquired a company about a year ago called Zeus, and another company called Optimize that was in web content optimization. So combining the two together in a single product or independent products, we now have what is called Stingray and Stingray Optimizers. These are virtual application delivery controllers. So basically you can run them in a virtualized environment. As you know, most organizations are trying to go, they're consolidating and they're virtualizing their infrastructure so that they can better utilize and get better efficiency from the investments that they make. Given that, we have a solution that can really help in improving the performance of websites, online websites, people, e-commerce websites, all of those by providing application delivery controllers and web content optimization. And one more area where enterprises will benefit from this is SharePoint users. SharePoint usually has a pretty, should I say, inefficient way of populating the web page, and because of that it can cause a lot of delay. I mean, it's obviously very heavy in terms of the data that it presents, and what we do is we are able to help improve the performance of the web page as well as SharePoint through our the web content optimization, as well as the steelhead products that we have. We can help improve the performance of that. So then we have a very unique product which is called Granite. What is it is actually a virtual edge server solution. So what it does is it helps consolidate servers in branches into a single device, which is our Steelhead, which is our WAN optimization controller. But we run VMware on it, and we are able to create partitions, and you can have many servers run on it. Also, the storage, if there is any storage in the branch, the users, the customers have a big challenge in securing it, making sure it's replicated, making sure that in case of a failure or disaster, they are able to bring up the data again quickly. So they have to implement various kinds of policies for the branches and another set of policies for the data center. But here what we can do is we can move the storage from the branch to the data center, where you can have consistent policy for security, consistent policy for keeping it secure, backup policies, and all of that for disaster recovery. So it helps reduce cost, it improves the efficiency of the organization. So this is a solution that is really targeted at removing storage and helping both the storage vendors sell a better, more secure, more reliable solution for the data center and eliminate the storage from the branches. So that's one. And then of course we have a solution called Whitewater. What it does is it does storage backup in the cloud. So given all this, so we are in application aware network performance management. So if there are providers or if there are solution providers that address this particular need of the customers, then we have a product and solution that those resellers may want to work on. Similarly, if there are people who are focused more on networking and sell switches and routers and security, then we have our steelheads that they can use to provide WAN optimization, so reduction in bandwidth needs, and also application acceleration. So as people consolidate, you are able to run your applications faster without compromising on the performance of the application. So that's the, and then of course if there are storage people who specialize in storage, then we have our Granite solution that they can take on and provide a very value added solution to the customer with extremely good value in terms of efficiency, in terms of backup policies, in terms of security, and be able to secure that. So we do have a lot of solutions that a solution provider or a value-added reseller can choose from, and based on where they are focused, they can use any one of these and utilize them in providing the right solution for the customer. So it's a great advantageous thing for them. They can expand their portfolio of products that they propose to a customer and increase the value of their salespeople and their technical people by providing very innovative solutions. Expansion of horizon is just one part. Important thing is with these innovative solutions, they can really add value to their customers. And the customers are looking for value. Customers are not looking for, me too solutions or solutions that don't really add value to their organization. So that is what our solutions can provide. Completely works with the standard switching routing companies or whatever infrastructure the customer has built. It fits in directly there and works without an issue, because 85 of the global 100 Fortune 100 companies use our products for web optimization, for application acceleration, for making sure the applications run better. They use our products when they are looking at consolidation. They use our products when they are looking at virtualization. So it's a given that we bring a lot of value and we add a lot of value in what is already existing, and we help reduce the cost of what is already there and help optimize what they may need for the future. Business, irrespective of what the climate is always about profitability. People want to make their operations profitable, which means that they should be able to, at the end of the day, make money from doing business. You can become profitable in two ways. One, you can have higher prices so that your profitability increases, or you can make your operations very efficient. So in our case, no matter what the time be, the customers can definitely improve the efficiency of their infrastructure. They can definitely reduce costs. They can optimize on the number of people that they need to run their operations. They can optimize on the kind of bandwidth that they need to run their operations. They can improve the response times of the applications, thereby improving the productivity of the people. All of these impact profitability in the end. So irrespective of whether it's difficult times or times where the business is booming, you always want to make your best use of resources, and that is what we help organizations. That's a good question. Actually, we have all kinds of training programs. Firstly, we have Riverbed certified professional program and the associate program and the sales training programs for the partner salespeople. So pre-sales and sales, so technical people and salespeople, we have programs for them. They can also get trained on online courses. So we offer online courses to all of them, and then of course we have partners who provide classroom training. So we have all of these available. Program where we believe that a partner needs to focus a little bit. They can add value in the areas where they are operating. So what we've done is we have 4 categories of partner: gold, silver, platinum and diamond. So silver, gold, platinum, diamond. And so we do that, and each one of those categories requires certain amount of investment from the partner in terms of training of their salespeople, in terms of training of their pre-sales or technical people, a little bit of investment on some demo gears, because in our product line, customer wants to see it performing in their own environment, so they are looking for what is called proof of concept. So that has to be done. So based on the value that a partner brings, we have a methodology of providing. So we do a business plan with the partner. The partner agrees on certain goals and objectives that need to be performed over the year. For each goal and objective, based on whether they are focusing on some target named customers, based on whether they are meeting their goals in terms of revenue goals, or are they meeting their stretch goals, or are they going to be. So we've got what is called TAPS, technology authorization paths. So what we do is, if somebody is interested in storage, for example, whitewater, then he has an option of becoming authorized just for whitewater. Or if they are in cloud accelerator, they can get authorized for some of our technology paths. We have defined some technology paths. They can get authorized. Once they are authorized and they meet a certain number, there is some incentive that they get in terms of as a compensation for the investments that they have made. So it's a very unique program. It's well received, and we have a large number of partners that are taking advantage. Our partner program has been there for a long time. I mean, we are a partner focused company. We revamped the partner program recently with some more like the TAPS, technology authorization paths, is something new to it. The fact that there'll be a incentive for achieving your goals and going beyond your goals is something new that we've added to it. There is also, if there are target accounts that they go and win business in, and it's an agreed upon target accounts, then again there is some compensation that they get for going into some named target accounts. So this program was announced about a quarter ago, and so it's just revamped. It's not that we didn't have a partner program. We have a partner program. It's been revamped, and that's what we are taking. This is a new element. Target accounts is a new element. Base and stretch goals are a new element. So you always have to keep innovating, and that's what we've done. We made it easy for partners who are focused, say partners who are focused in network management. We have a solution for them. Partners who are taking care of storage needs of a customer, we have a solution for them. Partners who sell SharePoint and want to help customers organize their, should I say, applications around SharePoint, we can provide them a solution so that they can accelerate the performance of SharePoint. So that's how it is. So we've made it easy for partners to choose our solution that best fits their need, and then take. From the point of view that we have to, important thing is we must be able to address the needs of most of our customers. Customers are all over India, so we need a coverage plan so that we are able to cover customers right from J&K to Kanyakumari, right? Everywhere, wherever there is a potential customer, we should be able to cover them. So we are always looking at ways and means of seeing, are we having enough coverage or not? Are we only in metros, or are we everywhere else? Do we have partners that are covering the customers that may be in Chandigarh or Jaipur or Lucknow or Trivandrum or Coimbatore or wherever? So it's important. So we go not by the number of partners we need, we go by, are we really addressing all our customers? Are we able to cover all our customers? Are we able to touch our customers? Are we able to tell them about our products and solutions? Are we able to make them aware of what all is available today so that they can make use of it and take advantage of it? So that's how we address